Namaskaram and thank you for joining me in this video. In this video, we are going to see one of our addition to our AI SEO writing tools membership, where I have created a daily use Backlink Factory script for us. The app is ready and I was just testing with it. So for the test case, let us see one of our GBP. Let's try with the ranking store itself. The ranking store. And I want to also share you one more thing. Sometime you don't find your GBP like this. In that case, you can even use the long URL here and search and you will find it. So when we search it, make sure we click on yes if we are sure this is the correct GBP. So I have done the yes mark. Now we will click on the gather GBP data. And then we go to sheet, or either you can go to toolbox and sheet. It's the same thing. Now in the first box, we import the NAP. In the next box, we import the map data. We copy this data over to here. I remove the empty line, SEO company, SEO softwares, or I can say SEO company is fine. Now we can use the map data. We can use it here. So map data goes here, map data goes here. Make sure you don't put your city name here. Just put this actual keyword only. And website, we will put the rankingstore.com and submit. Give it like a minute or two hardly. And if you have a license to our subscription, make sure you use the correct ID. And if your license ID matches with our license system, you will receive an email with the BLF data. So let me go back to my mailbox now and see that email, because the email should be with us now. Okay, so here is the email we have received. We got a lot of variations with keyword and city name, sometime state name mentioned, sometime the state code mentioned. We have our good description along with nearby cities with the help of AI, and we have our NAP and map there. So what we can do is we can just copy this entire block. So what you can do is empty those boxes, and then you can go to your mailbox, open the mail, and you see all the details. You copy the first block, paste it to the first comment area, copy the second block of the content, paste it to the second comment area, and do the same for the third one. Copy the block, paste it here. Now whatever the URL you have, you can use that. And now you have those primary keywords, copy them there, and then you have a unique set of all details. Cut the last one to this area, second last one to this area, third last one to this area. And now remove the empty space. Whatever the URL you have, you can go and create a unique campaign for the Backlink Factory. So we have all the unique set of details. Even you don't have to think it this way. You can even use this kind of information, fresh information generated through the app. You can copy this block to even your G site or any other use case. So there are various use cases. It is not just limited to the Backlink Factory. This information, every time you get a unique information, is so important for all type of your campaigns. You can just add it like a signature in on of your publishing work. Now one more thing I want to share with you. You copy the main keywords to your notepad++, press Ctrl H for the replacement, and then you get all these cities. So suppose you want to do the campaign for this city this time, then you just replace the mine city with the new city name. So we go to the notepad++, select the city name, Control H, paste, replace all. So now you have another set of unique campaign for the nearby city. So I will highly suggest that you do such kind of campaign with the unique data set. So always use form. Within 10-20 seconds you get unique details like this. Thank you very much.